Hello friends, so today we will see how to install Python and how to run your IDLE in Python. So we will start with writing our first program in Python, which is basically an hello world. So without further ado, we'll just start that. So first of all, you need to visit the Python official website, which is python.org. From here in downloads, you can download directly for Windows from here, and if you are using Linux or Ubuntu or any other Debian, so you can go visit here. There you can download for Linux, and for Windows user you can directly download from here. Once you click here, you will download a zip file. So yeah, so for Windows user it's really easy. You just extract that file, install it, and you will get the by default IDLE of Python. So for Linux user, you need to go in your command prompt. There you have to type, first you need to update your system. So let me just get update the system. So this will take a little time. So once your system is updated, then we can install Python in that. And yeah, so then if you want, you can run an upgrade command also. So this will basically upgrade all your softwares and everything. So now it's updated, so I'll run the simple command. 3.7 or 3.8, whichever version you want. 3.8 is the latest, so you can download that. And also if you want, you can download the IDLE of Python as well. Like the command for this is install IDLE followed by your Python version, like if you're using Python 3.7 or 3.8. So as I already downloaded for Python 3.6, and once you downloaded Python, you can check the Python version by doing that. So in my case I am using Python 3, so I have to do that. If you are installing Python 3.6 or any higher version of after above Python 3.5, so you can check like that. So yeah, my Python is on 3.6.9, so here I am using an IDLE of Python 3.6. so basically you just run the command like that, and you can run that file which will run the Python script. So and here for Windows user, if you type that in search bar, you will get the IDLE here. By opening that, you can run in Python file. So when we launch that, here we will create our new file and write our first program in Python. So file, new file, you can close that window, Control S. I'm saving it on my desktop. If you want, you can save it anywhere, like create a separate folder. So where is my desktop? Yeah, I am on my desktop, so I'll save like my first Python program, correct? So I'll save that. Yeah, our file is here, so we can write our first Python program here. Okay, so let's just start it first. So first you need to write a print, as we are writing an hello world program, and that print is a built-in function in Python, so you don't need to add anything in that. Like most of you will familiar with C and C++, so there you need to include libraries there, but here you don't need to do that. So you can simply write a print followed by parenthesis. In double colon you will write hello world. Okay, save that by Control S, and you can run that Python file from here as well, or you can directly press F5. So we are just pressing an F5. Okay, so this is our output of hello world. Yeah, it's that simple. So okay, now we will try something different. So what we will do, we'll declare one variable and put that string in that particular variable, right? So here you can type this is my variable. Okay, I'm just keeping in short. So a so what basically those who are familiar with programming will understand, like we just keeping that value, a hello world string, in that particular variable which is a, and we are printing that a. So what it will give us, this will give us a message plus this hello world. Okay, and before running this program, there is always a good habit to write a doc string in that. So it's just a good habit, so if you want you can write, if you don't want then you can directly run. But it's a good habit to write something about your code, because when the other person will see your code, he'll not understand what you're writing, not in this case but in most of the cases. So you are able to write like that, you are just describing what you're doing. So then we can run the program. Okay, so this is my variable, a print statement here, and this is an hello world from here. So here we will learn how to install Python first of all in your system, and then check Python, like how you can write in hello world, simple hello world program, how you can just copy a string in a particular variable then print that. So this is really basic stuff. This is just in starting of Python, where you will learn that Python is fully installed and it's running on your system. A lot of you might think that you can directly install PyCharm or other framework in that, but we will get it later. But for now I think this is good for your practice. And yeah, so I'll meet you guys in the next video. There we will learn how to define a function and how to use different type of data types in Python. So and we can learn more about the class and objects, how we can use multiple functions and by class or object. So till then, goodbye, thank you, and just keep on practicing that.